It's a 2019 Audi A4. This captivating A4 is the sedan that over-delivers on luxury and performance. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Smart device navigation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.